Hey guys, welcome to an all-new episode of Conflicts and
Izma!
Today we'll be building on an all-new ride-on car. You ready, Izma?
Yeah!
Now this was sent over by bestchoiceproducts.com. So if you want your very own, check out the link down below. Alright, let's go ahead and get unboxing.
Whoa! Well, let's go check it out. Ooh.
Alright, so everything is nicely compacted. You can see all the components are here in the interior, from the wheels down to the steering wheel. And we get a nice looking instruction manual here, kind of giving step-by-step directions on how to build this. So let's go ahead and build this bad boy and see what it looks like completed.
And here are the wheels. Vroom, vroom, vroom.
So first we're going to do is unscrew the wheel. And then we'll put the actual wheel on itself. So that just kind of slips in like that. We put ourselves a nut on, and then we use the bolt. And then we have this little wrench right over here, right? So this wrench, so we just spin it. There you go, now it's nice and snug. So we're gonna do the same thing for the rear wheel. So the next thing we're gonna do is go ahead and unscrew the screw on this steering wheel. This will allow it to slide right out. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the steering wheel, we're gonna go ahead and plug it in. This will make the horn work. And then we're just gonna go ahead and tuck this in. And next we're gonna go ahead and run the screw through to make sure everything is nice and snug. Next step is to install the windshield. So this here is our windshield. We're gonna go ahead and just slide it in. And it should just clip right in place. And then the rear one. And then we have to plug it in. And literally it's just the power, the positive that goes right into it. Now finally we put in the, yes! That's it, we're all set and ready to go. So let's go ahead and go outside and take it for a test drive. Alright, so this here is our all new ride-on from Best Choice Products. Now note, this car itself is about $100, which is actually really cheap for a ride-on, but you do see there's a lot of different details. First of all, we got a chrome grille, and then we got these working headlights. We got a cool looking steering wheel, as well as all the marketing gimmicks with music, lights, and so on and so forth. Now one thing to note is that this is only one-wheel drive, so only one wheel spins the whole time, so you don't get that much power. But for the price, it's not that bad. Now, in the interior itself, we have a few different things going on. Here's our power button. Then we have our light switch. We have a forward as well as reverse. We have our music as well as an aux cable that we can play music on custom. And then we have a horn as well. Now, it also comes with a wireless remote that you can actually control it with the child in the car itself. So that's actually a nice safety mechanism, so you can actually drive the car for them. All right, so let's go ahead and have Izma ride it. You ready, Izma?
Yeah.
All right, so go ahead and get in. So go ahead and turn it on. All right. Whoop, you gotta go forward. All right, Izma's actually 4 years old, and she's driving it pretty easily. How do you like it, Izma?
Good.
Is it easy to drive?
But not to get in.
It's hard to get in. So just keep that in mind in terms of your child's age. So Izma's about 4 years old, and you can see that she's a little bit trouble getting in the car itself. But you know, overall it's not a bad thing. She's having no problem at all driving it. So compared to the other cars itself, this one's not as quick as the previous cars that we reviewed. But overall you can tell that it is walking speed, as I am actually walking at a normal pace right now, and she is keeping up with me. So Izma, let's see what else we have in here. Can you stop for a second? Alright, can you press the horn? So it does have a horn in here. And does it have music? There you go.
Hey, no, ladybug!
Alright, Isabel, let's turn right, okay? What do you think? Good? Alright, well with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, thank you again for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.